chase money. Don't chase. See me? Chase money. Because remember me tell you this. Me hear she say how much man she name out. Zin?
That is another thing.
Dog. That's why nowadays when you see man hesitate to give woman their money. Because a woman like this.
Woman like them, the bro.
You get me? I say?
Woman like them, the
Guess
bro.
what? You see any idea? Even if a man a give them things, you think say if me have my clock money and me I take care give somebody, and then down the line me hear say, and me did and name me out, bro. There's going to be problems.
Of course.
You see
of
me?
course.
And these are the things where cause man fi treat women certain type of way. These are the things where happening in Jamaica, not even in Jamaica, all over, where make man and do woman certain things. Sometimes people are wonder where it stem from.
At them something it stem from. Cause she talk big and bold, say she usually guard the man yard, thief the man money, and him never want the man.
Bro.
She never want the man. You see me?
Bro.
But yet still, she'll take the man things.
I feel like most of these females nowadays, they are them driven by money.
Yes.
And them will do any and everything.
Yes, brother.
For money. They value the things, bro.
I wonder if at today's generation, dog, because the generation changed so much, dog, and now nothing no stay behind closed doors again.